Hi everyone, I am here with another coding question given in Accenture recruitment drive. So that happened on 1st September 2023. Okay, so this is finding the largest number divisible by 90 with the elements given in array. Okay, so let us go through the problem. Given an array of n elements where each element is either 0 or 5. So the elements in the array will be either 0 or 5. No other elements can be found. Find the largest number divisible by 90 that can be made using any number of elements in this array and arranging them in any way. So that means we have to compose a largest number that is divisible by 90. Okay. We can take any number of elements from the given array and we can arrange them in any way, any order to get the things done. So ultimately we have to find the largest number. We have to compose the largest number divisible by 90. Let us go through the examples. The first example is A 5, 5, 5, 5 like this. 8 number of 5s are given followed by 0 and 2 5s. So the largest number that is composed from the given elements that is divisible by 90 is this one, divisible by 90. Here we have considered 9 5s. Though they have given 10 5s, we have considered only 9 5s. Okay, so if you consider 10 5s, that will not be divisible by 90. So like this, we have to choose, or we have to take any number of 5s or any number of zeros from the given elements and construct the largest number possible that is divisible by 90. So, okay, that is the constraint. Let us go through another example. A equal to 5, 0. That means only 1 5 and 1 0 are given. Even if you construct largest number possible with this one, that will be 50, which is not divisible by 90. This is less than 90, so it is not divisible by 90. So that's why the output is 0. So that means when we cannot find the number divisible by 90, we must give the result as 0. Okay, so that is the problem. So for this one, initially it appears like a tough problem, but we can do it in a simple way if you understand the divisibility rule of 9. So what is the divisibility rule of 9? Here I am going to apply the divisibility rule of 9 to solve this problem. What is this? According to the divisibility rule of 9, if the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. This is the rule I am going to apply here. Okay, then another rule. So what is the divisibility rule of 10? The number must be ended by 0. Then such numbers are divisible by 10. Now we have to combine these two, divisibility of 9 and 10, to get the number divisible by 90. Okay, so this is our concern here. Now we are going to apply this logic and we will make the solution simple. Okay, so shall we write the solution? Yes. Let me take one online compiler. First, let me read the input. I will read the numbers into this array A. So the numbers are int I for I in input dot split. Okay, read the numbers into array A. Then I will be taking two variables by name count 5 and count 0. Count 5 will get the count of elements, count of 5s. Okay, count 0 will get count of 0. What does this count method do in Python? It will go and search in the array A and it will find the count of 5. That means the number of times 5 is present in the array. Similarly, count of 0 will fetch the number of times this 0 is appearing in array A. So now, if I will apply one simple rule here, if count of 0 is equal to 0, that means there is no 0 in the given array, then can it be divisible by 10? No. In such cases, I can print the output as 0. Okay, here my idea is to construct the largest number as a string. That's why I am printing 0. Then another rule I can apply here is the sum of digits given in the number must be divisible by 9 to make it consider that as the number divisible by 9. So if here all the digits are either 0 or 5, then the number of 5s must be at least 9, then only the sum of 5s can be divisible by 9. Okay, that is one observation. That's why I will add one more rule. Count 5 less than 9, then in that case also return 0. That means we cannot find we cannot compose the largest number divisible by 90. So in that case we will return that as 0. Else, if this is not the case, then I will construct a number as a string. Initially, I will assume that as empty string. Then I will consider this count 5 as count 5 multiplied by count 5 divided by 9. Why am I doing this? Suppose if the number of 5s given in the array are 12, how many 5s you can consider to make it divisible by 9? Only 9 we can consider. So that's why what I am doing here is count 5 equal to count 5 multiplied by count 5 divided by 9. So here if count 5 is 12, we will get that count 5 as 9. Okay, now I will be constructing the number with this count. For I in range count 5, num equal to num plus 5. Okay, num equal to num plus 5. I have constructed all the 5s, the number with all the 5s. Now, whatever the zeros, number of zeros given in the array, they will be padded or they will be appended to this num. Okay, then that will make it a largest number. For I in range count 0, num equal to, already num is constructed with 5s, num equal to num plus 0. That's it. Now print num. Got it? Now let us run this code. So split is a input is a function. Yes. Let me run this code again. Yeah. Let us give the input. The given input is 8 5s followed by 0 followed by 2 5s. Invalid syntax. What is that? Okay. Line 1. int of I for I in input dot split. Is correct only. Okay, let me run this one again. 5 5 5 5 like this, 8 5s followed by 0 followed by 5 5. Yes, this is the number constructed with 9 5s. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. How many 5s are there? 10 5s. How come this? Okay, count of 5. Okay, I think I am doing it wrong here. This is 9. Okay, now it should work. 5 5 5 5 5 5 5. How many 5s are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 followed by 0 5 5. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, correct. Now let me run this code again. For the input 5 0, this is the second input. We have got 0. Okay, now let us go through the solution once again. So A is constructed with the given input. Count 5 is counting the number of 5s present in A. Count 0 is counting the number of zeros present in A. If count 0 is 0 or count 5 less than 9, then we cannot construct largest number. In that case, print 0. Else, construct the number as a string. Count 5 is updated as 9 multiplied by count 5 divided by 9. So why I am doing like this is 9. 9 means we must have minimum 9 to make the number divisible by 9. Minimum number of 5s to make the number divisible by 9 is 9. Okay, 9 multiplied by count 5 divided by 9. Let us assume if the number of 5s given in the input are 10, this will be like, this formula will generate 9 multiplied by 10 floor division 9. That means it will be 1, and we will consider only 9 5s. That is the logic here. Okay, then construct number with that number of 5s, and remaining zeros, I mean whatever the number of zeros present in the array, they will be added to the number. Okay, then that can construct the largest number that is divisible by 90. Okay, so this is the logic. I hope you understood the logic. If you liked the logic, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.